came here 2016, 2017, I think. That was our first time at the show, and the rest is history, as it were. We've been back every year since.
And what's happened over the last few years is, especially because of brands like Royal Enfield building bikes that are really easy to customize and are brand new, suddenly everybody's customizing bikes. So the shift has moved to shed builders.
Is it your first time to the Bike Shed Motor Show?
First time, and
Okay.
I've got to say, like, as soon as I walked through those doors, I was there like, I'm home.
I do like Royal Enfield as a brand. It's very historic.
It's nice, there's history there.
There's a lot of history there.
People are responding very well to our brand because it is part of a turn to simpler things. You know, you have a very complex world. Getting out there on a simple retro motorcycle is a nice antidote to that.